Real AI 3D. It finally happened. This isn't just simulation anymore.
Phew.
These are actual 3D models created from a simple text prompt, fully generated and even rigged and animated by AI, ready to be used in animation production, game development, or even 3D printing. Today we're checking out a new AI pipeline for creating animations with fully realistic 3D models with great control over camera angles. And I'll also put you onto a powerful AI 3D platform you don't want to miss. Here you can create real complex 3D models using simple prompts or images, fully textured, rigged, and even animated. It's already generated over 100 million 3D models and comes packed with features like text to image with multi-view generation, image to 3D, 3D to video, and more. Plus it works with all major 3D software, pretty much anything you're using. So let's dive in and see what it can really do. Jump in through the link in the description. Right here, you've got 4 quick access tools to get started fast. I'm gonna kick things off with text to 3D. And honestly, it's crazy simple. You just write your prompt, then pick your model type. Go with standard if you want like super detailed high poly models for things like 3D printing or clean renders, or switch to low poly if you're building for game engines or real-time use. If you're planning to rig and animate, make sure your character's in A pose or T pose. Then just choose the number of generations, pick your license, and boom, you've got a full 3D model with solid anatomy in no time. Realistic characters, stylized cartoons, props, game assets, whatever you can imagine, it can handle it. And right here, you can also remesh, texture, rig, and animate. Everything in just a few clicks. I'll test all of that in a bit. But if you want more pro level results, you got to pay attention to details. For example, in the tutorial section, you can check out sample prompts with their results. So there are also example projects you can break down, prompts included, and you can even use like the built-in assistant to generate prompts from your text or images. Super handy. And if you're looking for ideas, you can explore what this platform is capable of right here. For game development, you can easily generate a full city or a detailed game environment with just a simple prompt. That includes everything: buildings, cars, props, all the small details. You can also create your main characters for games or animations using either text or image references and plug them straight into your pipeline. These characters can be in any style you want, and I'll show you later how to make them ready for use in other software. Also, all these sample models you see here can be edited, downloaded, and used if you like. And when it comes to product creation like 3D printing or anything similar, this platform makes the whole process way smoother. You can build your models here, export them into any software for physical production, or even turn them into high-quality promo videos. Now let's test this new update and start from images. I'm going to use Nano Banana to create our character. Just write your prompt, choose the aspect ratio and number of generations. You can either mention the style in your prompt or pick one from here. The multi-view option generates the character from different angles, and you can even add reference images if you want. And that's it. Clean, solid character ready to go. Now you can use that same image as a reference and generate your character in different situations. And any of these images can be sent to the image to 3D tool to create a full 3D model. You can even do this in bulk, generate multiple characters or props at once. Just like text to 3D, you can choose between high poly or low poly. Image enhancement and multi-view also help boost the accuracy a lot. Nice, now we've got our character, and if something feels off, you can regenerate it up to 4 times for free. Next, hit the texture option. You can use a simple prompt for this, but using an image input usually gives you way more accurate results. As you can see, it handled everything like a full automated pipeline, and even the UV map is ready. You can also edit the textures right here using the built-in tools. Now, if we switch to wireframe, you'll notice the mesh is pretty dense and uses triangle topology. That's great for still renders or 3D printing. But for game engines or animation workflows, we need to remesh. So here we can easily lower the target poly count and switch the topology to quads, much more usable. All right, now let's rig it. Make sure your character is in A pose or T pose. Select humanoid and hit next. Then use these handles to align the character facing forward and centered. In the next step, you can place the joints precisely using these markers. And yeah, you can even turn off symmetry if needed. Once you're done, hit confirm and let it process. And there you go, fully rigged character, ready to use. Now for testing, you've got a bunch of ready-made animations you can apply instantly and see how it performs. Can you believe this? It's something that used to take days and required serious skills. Now done in just a few clicks, you can export this in different formats or bring it into any other software and use it directly in your projects. Now I'm gonna take another image we created and turn it into a 3D model, then get it ready for video. Quick tip for better accuracy, your images should be full body. If your image is cropped, you can use reference images plus a master prompt to expand it into a full body shot. Now, just like before, we convert the image to 3D and then texture it. If you jump into the 3D to video section, you can bring your models into the viewport. This is actually one of my favorite parts. You can open any model here, view it in real time, and really inspect it. Then using Nano Banana, you can render any angle of your model in different environments just by writing a prompt. There are also some default styles you can use. You can even switch the model to GPT and customize the aspect ratio. Plus, you've got solid controls for camera, objects, and the scene itself. As you can see, it rendered exactly the angle and details we asked for. If you want more accuracy, you can also add reference images so it follows them more closely. Now let's render the same model from the back, but in a different environment. This is honestly really cool. You can even place other characters or props into the scene and make your renders more detailed. The level of control you get over camera angles and cinematic shots is just awesome. Once your scenes are ready, you can send them into a video generator. There's also a text to video tool here, but you can easily turn these into videos using something like Kling or VEO3 with a simple prompt. And here's the result.
Whew.
Of course, the better your prompt, the cleaner your final video will be. Also, they're offering a great deal. If you sign up now, you can get 50% off. For me, as someone who's really into animation, this platform is super exciting. It can definitely be useful and fun for you too. Check it out and let me know what you think. Until next time, stay creative.